Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Ki Muktiar ke Meghalaya sing palik lami surok Dawa Weng Amit Kumar nakakam Advocate General AG ke Jilla. Bat Pynrem ke Jingkren umuntu rangba u Conrad ke sangma u bala ong ba ke sarkar ke dan bak banyo ya hukum Muktiar. Ki dekhot ke High Court Bar Association bat ke Shillong Bar Association ki layat pat ba da ke bara iki plakan no ke office ke High Court Bar Association sa Civil Point Law Lachmia bat phai biang syakate ke office. Hakikat tu kat ni ki plakat la thok go back da ka Dawa ya Kumar ban mi no na ke Jilla. Habakran shiklat pathai khubor secretary ke Shillong Bar Association ubati El Jirwa bad Muktiar Kishore Katam kila penpau ke jing sngodew halor ke Jingkren umentri rangba ka ba kila ong ba kalanang penkhi ya ke jing bitar jong ki Muktiar. Kila ong ba ke seng Muktiar kila de pha ke jing tho she ke sarkar ban penpau ke jing e bad Dawa Weng ya Kumar rei ha ke jaka ban shimkhia ki nikiman umentri rangba ulaya ro pen ban ya u kaba kila nyo kum ke jingbam khenkor ya ki jing ut jing nam chongki kila ong ba ke Jingkren u Conrad kalong kum ke jing the priang shu shu ha ke ding bat ba ke jing ki kam dei ke jing kwa jing wei arngun henry ke sur ke bami na ke kin hun ki Muktiar kar kum gini ginong kren ke negeri ke sin ke baning kong ha ke history ke Jilla ba ki Muktiar kila hap mi she surok ha ke ne ke rukam kila ong ba ke jingbam yo ye ke jubab ke ba pin hun halor ke jing Dawa jongki kala pelong ye ki ban shim ye ke ne ke senjam kila keno ba Kumar la le ben yik dekhot ka bar ba kila pen pauru i ke jing persha halor ke Jingkren ki ba kila ong ba ula kren hapo ying bishar nalor kata kila bu jingkali halor ke jingwanra ya ki Muktiar na shabar ke Jilla ban ya sa ki mukot duma jo ke sarkar kila ong ba hami khalaya ki dan bun ki Muktiar ki betbin bar ki bidai hok ban yola kham tam ke samla ki brang sedang yi ke ni ke kam kila pensyai bagi jing persya yu Kumar kam dei namar ba udai ubriu na shabar ke Jilla noi ke dei halor ke rukam trei kam bagi jing long jing man jing u kum Advocate General kila ke dauru bagi Muktiar na ki jait dan riu ba pher kila shim benta ha ke jing yaki keseng Muktiar kila ban biang ke jing Dawa ban Weng yu Kumar na ke kam bat ong ba ye ke senjam ban bun on sarai lang da keseng
that we've been able to come out with such huge numbers. I am grateful from the bottom of the heart. I bow down to all of you. We always follow it good. Today I bow down in front of our members. Thank you so much. I'll hand over towards the vote of thanks.
So, in addition to what my brother, I think so we can all agree to this that for our bar, and in a way we have to Mr. Amit Kumar for showing us that we, the Shillong Bar, High Court Bar and all the bars in Meghalaya, we are not something that you can mess around with. Nobody can come and question the authority, can question the affairs of our home. Like what we all believe, being a part of this, the Bar Association is like, it's a second home for us. Where we come, move out from our own home, come here, work whole day, we feel like we are a family. But then this person tries to tarnish that by, without any evidence or without any substance, try to bring all that picture or that thing, no, that peace, that love, that harmony, that respect among us. In just a split second, he have no hesitancy to tarnish it. So members, I am really grateful. Like I've mentioned earlier, before we start this rally today, I'm truly grateful for everyone to have shown your support. This is not a personal fight, mind you. Like you all know, Mr. Amit Kumar and I, we have a good personal relationship. But when it comes to attacking our home, yes, when it comes to attacking our home, we will never shy away from also condemning such acts. So at the end, I have no words because this is just the first stage of our protest. We don't know from here what will follow. But as a first stage of protest, I'm truly grateful for everyone who have come and support. This is not a personal fight, this is our fight. And at the end, I would also like to thank the administration.
Iya. Ini baik. Di sini. Di sini saya. Di sini.
Amit, Kumar, go! Amit, go!